Hi, this is Salman from the Developer Dude. Today I will show you the easy way of how to work on a GreenSock ScrollTrigger, aka GSAP. How does it work for your website? And it's a beginner friendly tutorial series. Let's dive into the code. So this is an example site that I have chose to show you how this scroll trigger works. So see, if you will start scrolling, you will see that all the elements are moving. The sun is coming up, clouds are moving, the bird is flying, mountains are coming up, and now the sun is zooming in. It's like a night view. And again, if you will scroll back, you will see everything will come into places as it was. Sun is zooming out, bird is moving, and scroll down. So I'm going to show you how to get started with this one, how to add a plugin. So I will put the link in the description how you can put it. So I copied these two URLs, and you start your Visual Code and add index.html page, paste it here. I will first comment this scripts because we are going to use it, and with this exclamatory sign, this is a short key to add all your dummy template code. There it is. Rename it if you want. So this one is a scroll trigger tutorial number 1. And take the uncomment one and put it inside the body tag. Here you can link your style.css, create a file, style.css. Create another file, app.js. There you are going to use your custom code for GSAP. And now create first div1 and space div2. Inside that div, created another div and name it square. Nice. And I have opened both the files side by side so you can see where CSS is going. So reset, add a reset comment. Add a comment because it helps to understand when you will be reading your code. So body, remove the margins, the default margins from your body tag, and div1, give it a background color of let's make it blue, and div2 background color of aqua, and let's make a square background color brown. Let's choose brown. Yes, give it a bit of 100 pixels, let's say, height of 100 pixels also, and give this div1 and div2 some height of 100 vh, height 100 vh. Yes, give it a comma instead of dot. Yes. Okay, save it, and you can run your application using your live server. If you don't know how to use live server, you can install an extension for it by Ritwikday. You can go into extension, search for live server, and this is the one that you can install it. I have already installed. This is just to show you. So if you open it into live server, you can see the first div is blue, other is aqua, and our square is of brown color. If you want to inspect it, let's check in inspect. Div 1 is aqua, div 2 is this, and the square, which is brown color. Let's open your app.js file now. Yes, and add this plugin to work. So we are going to add to Squire. The trigger has to be to Squire, and we will add an object. So x will be 800 and duration will be, let's make it 3. Okay, let's check into the browser. I have not imported my app.js. Now it's linked to my HTML. Now let's check. So see, it moves. Now if you refresh it again, you will see like it's moving. When you reload the page, it moves. That is amazing. So let's bring it on ScrollTrigger. Now we have to kind of import it into our file. So let's import it, GSAP. As you can see, now we can add a scroll trigger because we have already imported our file. Let's add a scroll trigger. We can directly call our class Squire. Like there's some typo. It's okay. All right, it's done. Let's check into our browser. So now you see, like when we scroll down, it started moving. See, so this is like when it comes on a viewport. So when the square come on a viewport, it started scrolling. See, yes, that's what we wanted. All right. Let's copy this square and add it square 2 and copy the style also. Make the background color to white because it's upon aqua, it will be visible. And let's give a margin of 40, maybe 40 pixels will be all right. Yes. And let's make it, the square 2 will be scroll trigger block. So whenever we will touch the square 2, our animation will start moving. Let's check the browser. Let's refresh. So when you touch whenever your viewport touches the white, your animation will start moving. Let's check it again. Right. Amazing. That's how it has to work. So this is how you can start your GSAP scroll trigger, how to add your scripts and how does it work. I hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe.